Montana Gold is the premium, high-quality, low-pressure aerosol paint for all artistic, creative, or general DIY projects. With a unique and extensive color range, the nitro acrylic paint base offers extremely high coverage and color vibrancy, with the flexibility to combine mediums with other materials. Montana Gold is easy to use, perfect handling for experienced or inexperienced users, with a long-lasting result that is second to none. Montana Gold works on many substrates such as paper, cardboard, canvas, wood, concrete, metal, ceramic, and synthetic surfaces. It is recommended to check compatibility on a non-visible part of your object. Turn can upside down and remove nozzle, allowing safety ring to fall out. Shake vigorously for 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring you can hear the mixing balls moving freely. Replace the cap back onto the top of the can valve and trigger away from substrate to test. If flowing freely, you can start painting. Protect object and surrounds from spray mist during application. Apply at a minimum distance of 15 centimeters from substrate. Optimum distance from substrate is normally between 15 and 25 centimeters, depending on your project. The closer you hold the can, the more paint is applied to a smaller area. The further away you hold it, the thinner the paint film applied will be. It is very important to shake well to achieve the correct balance between the high pigment load and the active ingredients of the can. Apply multiple coats thinly at approximately 15 centimeters to 20 centimeters from your substrate, changing your application direction, horizontal and vertical, after each pass. Montana Gold is low pressure, meaning the gases in the can allow the paint to be ejected slowly and smoothly. This can reduce spray dust, improve precision, and increase how accurately users can apply paint. Drying time is usually 6 to 8 minutes, but can vary depending on substrate, ambient temperature, humidity levels, and thickness of coats applied. The 3 stages of drying are approximately touch dry in 6 to 8 minutes, working dry in 60 minutes, and chemically cured in 12 to 24 hours. You can paint over Montana Gold with acrylic markers or ink. It is optimal for all layers of paint to be cured before painting over. Montana Gold can be combined with other products from the Montana Effect and Montana Tech series. For additional protection and sealing, apply Montana Varnish once fully cured. Highest quality, made in Germany.